In this video, I'll show you how to find your product key for Windows 11 so you can activate your system or reinstall without issues. Step 1. Check your PC or laptop. Look for a sticker on your device or its packaging. Some manufacturers include the Windows product key there. Step 2. Use Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type this command and press Enter. Make Path Software License Service get OA3X original product key. Your Windows 11 product key will show up if it's stored in your BIOS/UEFI. Step 3. Check Microsoft account. If you bought Windows 11 digitally, sign into your Microsoft account at account.microsoft.com/devices. Your product key or digital license should be linked there. Step 4. Use third-party software. You can also use trusted tools like ProtoKey or Belarc Advisor to retrieve your product key from your system. Important notes. Keep your product key safe. You'll need it for reinstalling or transferring Windows. Never share your product key publicly to avoid misuse. Digital licenses linked to your Microsoft account don't require manual entry during reinstall. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.